Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's Kitchen. If this is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome to my channel, and please support this channel by clicking on that subscription button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. So today's recipe, I will be making pineapple stuffed rice, or stuffed white pineapple, whichever way you want to put it. Let's get started, okay? So I will introduce all the ingredients to you guys as we go along the process. So here I have vegetable oil. So I just added about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Just sprinkle that all over to avoid sticking. And here I have 3 eggs. I already cracked them up and I whisk them together. I pour them inside the pan. So I'll go ahead and stir them up together until they are well cooked. And I'll go ahead and set it aside. So in the same pan that I use, I added half a tablespoon of butter. So to that, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable oil. So once the butter is completely melted, I add my garlic and ginger that I shredded. So garlic and ginger kind of give this a little bit of taste. So right now I'm adding black pepper and a little bit of salt. So you add this to taste. You can add more or you can add less. So next I'm adding my chicken breast. I chopped them up and washed them. So I added chicken breast. So while the chicken breast is cooking, I'll go ahead and cut up my pineapple. Some people say pineapple, or you call it pineapple. Sometimes I get like, which one is right? But anyway, so let's go ahead and cut up the pineapple into 2 parts. So here we are. I'll go ahead and use the knife and go around like in circular motion, just like that. If you have any other method you can use to do this, you are free to do that. So the most important thing is to cut the pineapple out. So after cutting it by the side, I went ahead and cut it at the middle, just by the side of the hard part that is in the middle of the pineapple. Then the next I'll use my spoon to scoop them out. So I found doing it this method to be pretty much easy. So but if you have any other method that you want to use that is a little bit easier than what I'm doing right now, you're free to definitely do that. So this is way more easy for me, so that's why I'm sharing it. If you want to give it a try as well, that would be great. So I went ahead and just scoop all of that out. So while you're doing this, you have to be careful so you don't create a hole in it. So the juicy part of it, I'll just go ahead and scrape them out and put in a bowl. So that's what it looks like right now. So I'll go ahead and set that aside, and then I'll do the other one as well. So here we are, everything is done. So set it aside and then move on to the mixture of the sauce that we'll be using. So the soy sauce that I'll be using is chicken teriyaki, black sesame oil, and soy sauce. So you can use whatever sauce you want. I add 1 scoop of curry powder. So curry powder make this taste amazing. Gonna give it a little bit of amazing taste that you don't want to miss. And to that, I like my food being a little spicy. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of red crushed pepper. That was what I added. And to that, I added just a little bit of water, like about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. That was what I just added. So that's it for the mixture I'll be using today. So as you can see, my chicken is ready, all well cooked. You don't want to cook your chicken halfway unless you prefer it being halfway, but I like my chicken to be properly cooked. So in the same oil, I don't have to like throw that away. I added my chopped onions, and then I'll go ahead and add my rice in that oil, and I'll stir everything together until it's well combined. So at this point, the juice that I got from the pineapple juice, I pour them in there because you really want to have the good taste of that pineapple in the rice. If you're not adding this one, that means you probably wouldn't get enough taste from that pineapple. So this is the sauce mixture. I'll go ahead and add everything together and stir them up until they are well combined as well. So look at how the rice is looking right now. The sauce and everything is well combined. So I'll go ahead and add in my chicken and the egg that I already made before. So they are kind of in a very large cube, so I'm just using the spoon to split them up a little bit. So I added some spring onions. So the last but not the least, we have to add the chopped tomato. So I'll just go ahead and give it a little taste to see if I needed any salt, pepper. So at this point, go ahead and give your dish, give it a taste to see if you're satisfied with the taste. If you're not, you can add a little bit of pepper or a little bit of salt or whatever you feel like you're lacking. Go ahead and do that. But mine was perfect, so it's time to scoop them out. So this stuffed pineapple fried rice was so amazing. It tastes so good. You can like easily taste the pineapple. Like when you take a scoop, the pineapple is right there. So it's looking so good, looking so amazing, tastes so delicious. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking on that subscription button. I will appreciate that a lot. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, click on the like button. Yes, thank you so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. And thank you for watching, and remain blessed, and Merry Christmas in advance. So I wish you guys can join me to have a taste of this rice. It was so amazing. Thank you all for watching. Bye.